Welcome to solverfy.
Question 1, we are given a situation and we want to set up a recurrence relation. Our recurrence relation can be given as a of n is equal to a of n minus 1 plus 0.14 times a of n minus 1. This can be simplified to 1.14 times a n minus 1 with our initial condition of a of 0 is equal to our $4,000. For question 2, for each list of integers, we want to provide a simple formula to generate our sequence and then determine our next three terms. So for our first one, our rule is going to be that a of n is equal to negative 4 plus 4n, and our next three terms would be 24, 28, and 32. For the second sequence, our rule would be that a of n is equal to negative 40 times 2 to the power of n minus 1, and our next three terms will be negative 0.03905, negative 0.0097625, and negative 0.002440625. For our third sequence, we're going to get a of n is equal to 4 to the nth power. Our next three terms are going to be 4,096, 16,384, and 65,536. For our fourth one, our rule is going to be a of n is equal to a to the n minus 1 plus n squared. Then our next three terms would be 42, 64, and 92. And then for our fifth one, our rule is going to be a of n is equal to a to the n minus 1 plus n. So our next three terms would be 28, 40, and 55. For question 3, for each sequence, we want to find a recurrence relation. For a, our recurrence relation is going to be a of n is equal to a to the n minus 1 with our initial condition of a of 0 equal to 3. For b, we are going to get a of n is equal to 2 of n. Our recurrence relation then is a of n is equal to a to the n minus 1 plus 2. And our initial condition is going to be a of 0 is equal to 0. For question 4, we want to find an integer such that there is no information. So we need to skip that one and go to question 5. For question 5, we need to take we want to find what time a 24-hour clock read 100 hours before it read 2 o'clock, 45 hours after it, and 45 hours after it read 12 o'clock. For A5, we're going to take our 100 hours before 2 o'clock. That's going to be 2 minus 100 divided by our mod 24, which is equal to negative 98 mod 24, which is equal to 2. Then 45 hours after, we need to take 12 plus 45 divided by mod 24, and that is going to give us 9. And then for number 6, we want to find each of these values, which we can do using our module. We are going to get 146 mod 31 plus 301 mod 31.